Dallas Watson, founder of Capture Energy. I want to take a few minutes today and go over each one of our pieces of equipment that we now manufacture and give you an idea of who Capture Energy is. Capture Energy was founded in 2024 with the principles of utilizing energy on location to operate previously gas-operated valves in the oil and gas industry. With that, the Quad O-C and Quad O-B regulations in mind as we move forward. You'll notice that as we go through the technologies that we have to offer, none of our products emit methane into the atmosphere and replace products that do currently. The first product launched by Capture Energy was the Capture Compressor. This is an instrument air compressor that does not require electricity. The fundamentals here that we take high pressure gas, we run it through our system, which dynamically oscillates a cylinder. This cylinder then runs an air compressor. The air compressor fills up our air tank, and we now supply all pneumatic devices with instrument air instead of releasing methane into the atmosphere when typically ran off of natural gas. The Capture Hybrid Valve is the most recent innovation coming from Capture Energy. This is a dump control valve that is gas operated, but does not release gas into the atmosphere. We simply take gas off your second stage or first stage compression on a compressor, gas compressor, under high pressure running into the valve. From here, under gas actuation that we can simulate here for you, that gas, instead of being released in the atmosphere, is now discharged back into your suction scrubber. Simple plug and play design, 24 volt, 12 volt, class 1, div 1, made to be able to retrofit and or go onto new gas compressors out on location. Here's another version of the Capture Hybrid Valve. We've just demonstrated the Capture Hybrid Valve, how it can be utilized as a scrubber dump on a gas compressor. This same hybrid valve can now then be attached to what we would call a CV14 or an SMT 1400 Kimray stem guided valve. Very simple conversion, 4 bolts, pull it off, and typically what you would see is this. It's a 1400 series or a Beaumont CV14 series, 1-inch stem guided valve. We'll pull the head off of this and put our head on and no longer worry about emitting methane gas in the atmosphere. Same properties in operation. High pressure gas is going to come in here. On actuation, it's going to control your valve. We're going to release the gas back into downstream flow, into your flow line, anywhere else we have a pressure differential. This is Capture Energy's new plunger control valve. It is a direct replacement for your current existing stem guided control valve on location that is releasing methane into the atmosphere. Our valve is designed to be a direct bolt-on on your existing valve. Available in 6 volt, 12 volt, and 24 volt class 1 div 1 models. We simply take high pressure gas from your casing, operate our valve, and discharge that gas in the downstream fluid. Paired with this, with similar technology, is the Capture Auto Catch. This is your plunger catcher with the same design, where you would typically have a bonnet from a 1-inch stem guided valve bolted on here. Simply pull these 4 bolts off, attach the auto catch, and plug into your existing controller on location.